carrot cake. Oh, ooh, I can't do that. What is that?
Well, you know me. Hey, I'm just all about the whole snatching and money getting, you know? I do my own thing. You feel me? It's all about me and the crew. You see, this just two of the members, you know.
Your crusty ass can't hang with me if you try. Just get on my level.
The camp, hey, he don't understand that my camp is way more explicit than his camp. We fucking nasty. We nasty. Like a nasty porno, that's us. But the ugly bitch, nah, I know ugly bitches. Just fucking with it.
But two niggas make it down every time.
Oh shit. He ain't got attacked in the video. Fuck all that. See, that's what happens to motherfuckers that be talking shit. Huh?
10 pennies make a dime, nigga. What the fuck you mean, bitch? That's 10 bitches on one me, nigga. Oh, he staked the middle finger at me. Well, guess what? Look at this guy. Look at this high guy. Look, you're smoking a little Chiba. Fuck you, nigga.
Smoke a little Chiba. Got your ass looking like a zebra.
Nah.
Zebra. Shout out to Severina. Is this gonna fall to a freestyle?
Maybe so. Ask Joe, man. He might go.
I don't know. Get it on a video.
Do I have to kick a floor?
We sitting on the porch blowing hella dope
with a shotgun in my hand to your motherfuckers' throats.
Oh.
I don't know. Maybe crush his head like a cantaloupe. My flow is dope. Pop it like a beanie in your throat and get rolling. Is the camera rolling?
It's fucking nasty.
With the camera rolling? I don't know. You must be smoking. I don't know what the fuck you taking, bitch. You rolling.
I ain't rolling. I'm just posting on my porch smoking weed.
Okay.
Choke your damn good.
Smoking a little bit of marijuana. Now today, kids, I'm going to pass around a little marijuana just so you can see what the smell like. Marijuana has a very distinctive smell. Why do I feel this guy got the camera like all up in my nose? I feel like y'all looking at my boogers out there in internet land.
My nose hair is blowing up the lid. I probably do got a booger in my nose. It's right there, bitch. I don't even give a fuck.
We'll just play with y'all. Next time we go do some freestyle shit.
Yeah, that was just a little taste.
Hey, but guess what? I'm the cameraman. I'm like a young
Steven Spielberg.
Yeah, fuck it. I'm like a young Steven Spielberg. No, fuck it. I'm like a young. No, I ain't like Lil Wayne.
Yeah, young Rob Zombie. Rob Zombie make gangster films. He make killers.
You like a young Spike Lee, man.
Yeah, Spike. Yeah, you can't go wrong with Spike.
I'm a young Spike, and you see that? Yeah, hey, you can't have that.
James Cameron.
Yeah, James Cameron raw too.
Let's get this video.
Look on that Avatar shit.
You don't want to get on.
He made Avatar. That shit.
He made Titanic. He made a whole bunch of shit.